There's a hidden feature known as CrystalTalk AI, which will reduce background noise for these specific types of VoLP type of calls. Now, this here is available on certain Moto G phones. This is the Moto G34 with Android 15. To find and see if this feature is available on your phone, go into the quick access settings, then go to the part that says sound and vibration. Once you enter here, you'll see these different options. Go down and keep going down past all this, and you will see the general section. You're going to see Crystal Talk AI. All right, so this is going to be either off at default, and you could go ahead and turn it on. This also depends on your service provider, what type of service you have, whether it's still the old 4G, you may not have it, but if it's with the LTE and other and up in 5G, you should be able to get access to this feature here. Like and sub.